Just arrived on site at another theater room here in Mckinney, and I just wanted to show you our gold package prior to installation. We have the 1500 series 6-inch LCRs, front, left, and right. Dolby effects, high, left and right, or surround, either or if you're doing digital or Atmos. And then we got our rears, or our surround, left and right, depending on how, if you're using Atmos or Dolby Digital. And then we are using the triple firing sub over there and the 350 series for our center speaker. As far as projection, we're going to be using the Epson Pro Cinema 5040 UB and a 110-inch high contrast gray screen, which Grayson's already assembled. AVR, we're going to be using the X2400H, and here's the layout of the room. So, screen's going over here, front, left, and right in the center, all the wiring's terminating at the front of the room. Subwoofer over there in the front corner, which is why we're doing that triple firing sub. The room was actually wired kind of weird. You got the all-in ceiling, basically surrounds would have been in front of the customer, and then the rears would have been like right over his head. So we're using the rears as his Atmos or top surrounds, and then we're going to be running 2 additional lines here at the rear of the room, right there and over there in that corner, so the audio transitions more realistically around the space. I'll show a little video after we're done.